Hello, this is Stuart Richland from 420lawoffice.com and here on the YouTube channel. You know, gee, it's great being right, and it's great saying I told you so sometimes. Anyway, here in the area of law, I've been trying to convince the city attorney that it would be improper for our city of Los Angeles, and also in the other cases, in Riverside, I made the same arguments, in Kern County, that it's improper for a city to derogate from or take away from state law. And that when you take a look at the complex of law that we have right now, the cases and the statutes, there's no doubt that our legislature has authorized dispensaries, dispensing collectives and co-ops that cultivate the marijuana for their patients. Of course, federal law says that's a felony, but state law clearly authorizes it. And any city that continues to pretend that state law does not mandate that they at least permit some collectives to exist, a total ban being illegal, that city has got their head buried deep in the sand. And I'll tell you, what a shame for the hundreds of thousands of dollars and millions of dollars, I imagine, that have been spent on legal fees trying to convince the city attorneys to simply follow state law. And of course, you know that the city attorneys will write poison pen letters trying to talk this judge into decertifying the decision. But this is a tremendous decision. It's so important that I want you to read it, and read it nice and slow. I mean, it reads like one of our briefs. It clearly sets forth all of the arguments and destroys all of these typical arguments that city attorneys have used to try to promote overzealous regulation and bans of medical marijuana collectives. And in particular, in this case, the ban is simply not going to work. That means that every single jurisdiction that has a total ban, look out. And of course, the city of Los Angeles, the solution that's being offered of a total ban, quote unquote, a gentle ban, no kind of ban, is going to work. So I would have to say, happy days are here again. Oh, hey, medical marijuana patients, don't forget to book some time that you're going to want to spend. Be sure to reserve some time so that you will be able to appear at the upcoming City Council hearing. City Council has continued its hearing till July 24th. Clear the date. Let's all be sure to appear just like we did last time. Remember what a big difference it made. They continued their hearing. It's changed their momentum when hundreds and hundreds of people showed as they did. And so once again, we need hundreds and thousands of patients and their families to show. Let's see what I'm heading back here. There we go. Okay, guys. Peace. Be sure to clear that time, and I'll see you on the 24th. I'll be there. Right, Tony?
Hey, what's going on? Have you heard about our radio show? That's right, there's a medical marijuana radio show, and I do it for you every Thursday night at 8:30. In fact, the podcast is available ahead of time every week. And you can get it at 420lawoffice.com. Just click 420 Radio Show, and you can download the podcast, and you can subscribe by clicking a button, and it's going to show up in your phone or in your iPod. So be sure to check out 420 Law Office Radio. I think you'll find it's rocking. All right, take good care.